Is your PEL AC showing an error? Let's fix it fast. Decoding PEL inverter errors. Here is what you need to know. PEL AC error codes explained in 2 minutes. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like the video. E0 error, your indoor PCB memory chip is faulty or corrupted. E1 means your room temperature sensor is disconnected or faulty. E2 indicates a fault in the indoor copper piping temperature sensor. If you see E3, check the sensor on your outdoor unit's coil. E4 alert. This means gas leakage or a compressor pump failure. E5 means your indoor fan motor is jammed or the wire is cut. E6 is a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units. E7 means the outdoor weather temperature sensor is no longer working. E8 indicates a faulty exhaust sensor on your AC compressor. F0 means the compressor can't start. Check your voltage or PCB. F1 indicates the IPM power module on the PCB is shorted or overheated. F2 is a PFC fault caused by unstable power or voltage issues. F3 means the compressor suddenly stopped during operation. Check the wiring. Check the wiring. F4 indicates a faulty sensor on the compressor's exhaust pipe. F5 means the compressor is too hot. It needs service or cooling. F6 means the outdoor ambient temperature sensor has failed. F7 protection. Your input voltage is either too high or too low. F8 means the outdoor fan isn't spinning. Check the motor or capacitor. Let's remove this debris. F9 indicates the memory chip on the outdoor PCB is faulty. FA error means the suction pipe sensor is faulty. Check the gas return line. P0 means the PCB is too hot or the compressor is overloaded. P1 means unstable voltage. Use a stabilizer to protect your AC. P2 protection. The AC is drawing too much current. Check the gas or compressor. P3 means the outdoor fan is spinning too slowly or is jammed. P4 means the compressor's gas temperature is dangerously high. P5 means the coils are too cold. Check for dirty filters immediately. P6 means the outdoor unit can't release heat. It needs a deep service.
P7 means ice is forming on your coils. Clean your filters now. Subscribe for more AC repair secrets and tips.
Drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.
If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.